Now, Nick.
You have one turret on me. I'm not scared.
Oh,
I will torpedo. I know your fat ass can't avoid those.
I don't like the way you're talking to me.
Come on, Nick. It's just AP. He'll go right through your ship.
Just a prank, bro.
It's just a prank.
Ow! What the fuck? What was that?
Jimmy,
It wasn't me, man. That was me. It would have hurt more.
Which retard was that?
I think it was this, Svetlana.
Yeah, Svetlana. God damn it, it reminds me of Boxy so bad right there.
Oh, so slow. I wish I was in my North Carolina.
What's the range on these torpedoes?
Like 7?
Oh my god, really? 7 kilometers? Oh, fuck this shit.
But they reload really quickly, too.
God damn, that's a lot of torpedoes I just released.
Which one is that, Nick? Is that Jap?
Yeah, it's a Jap. Cause I'm a fucking weeb.
The fucking Soviet destroyers have so many torps.
Yeah, but they go no range.
Yo, yeah. We have like 8 trillion of them. Nick, that's a
I see
island.
it. I see it,
Nice
man,
drift.
motherfucker. Ah. Running in the 90s, bro.
Bruh. Listen, bruh.
Breh.
Bruh?
Bruh.
Bruh? Do what now?
You want a race, man?
I want to go fast.
Oh god, too fast. Oh,
Too
there goes some of my
furious?
landing gear.
Holy shit, I just citadeled that Svetlana. Blind citadeled him, too.
Oh, I didn't leave those shots enough. Maybe I did. Nah. Oh.
Woohoo! Captured! Yeah, bitch!
I didn't even get there to capture it.
Shitty German landing gear can't land at 250 miles an hour. Piece of shit.
Kilometers now?
Yeah, some shit like that.
Was this retard about to crash into an island?
Actually, I got mine on MPH, so it'd be more in kilometers.
Wow, dude, you fucked whoever that one up.
Yeah, I did.
Ow.
Yeah, I fucking
Yeah,
did.
nope.
Not gonna lie, I fucked him up pretty hardcore.
I think you guys are clear. There's only like 2 ships over here.
Yeah, no, I'm coming up.
No, Wyoming hit me.
Dude, I'm mastering the one-wheel landing.
See if I can blow up.
But,
Hey,
no,
I'm
both-
doing
the other
pretty
day,
good,
both
dude.
my
Panther's
landing gear
really
blew up.
good at the no-wheel landing.
Yeah, I actually
Just
blew
belly
up.
flops everywhere.
And he's also good at breaking his propellers when he lands.
Who is?
Panther.
Oh yeah.
I did pretty good. I only took a wing off this time because I spun around. And didn't
Oh,
really
now
help.
I've been detected. Holy shit, this thing's got excellent camo. My god.
Oh yeah, dude. You're not detected until about 6 kilometers, man. Actually, I think it might be a little less than that, actually.
I have shit for hits.
Dude, the
should-
Miyogi is a grind, man. I ain't gonna lie.
This thing seems pretty terrible, to be honest.
It's a grind, man.
Oh, dude, this guy's within my range. Hang on. Hey,
Always
hey
has
Battlefield.
torps.
I like you.
Oh man, look at
I
that.
heard you like torps. Oh,
Oh
he's dead.
god.
This fucking
He's so
game.
dead.
It goes the enemy is winning. We killed all their fucking planes. God damn it.
I think I like destroyers. I didn't like realize I could get undetected for so long.
Oh yeah, dude.
I fired
American
it as I
destroyers
came
are
detected.
different. American destroyers are detected closer. I mean, farther. They're different.
Yeah, have you seen how big they are though?
Yeah. It's like Russian
You see how
destroyers. They're
small
more of a
this thing
gunboat
is?
platform.
Destroy your anus, Nick.
Maybe. Oh, dude, it's Moses. Mo. I get it.
What?
Mo.
He got it.
Mon, mon, mon.
Only the weebs are gonna get it anyway, or Jimmy.
Right?
Nick, I'm not that old. Come on.
You are gay though.
Only for you, baby.
Oh, baby.
And the boys.
Well, yeah, no shit. You don't like boys, I don't like you.
Fucking just citadeling, please. There we go. Finally. There's a citadel. That's what I've been fucking looking for.
Speedboat time, go, go, go. It's torpedo time, motherfucker.
By the way, Furitaka, you're using the wrong ammunition against me. Oh shit, a Clemson. Oh shit, a Clemson. Oh shit.
This battleship is unescorted over here.
I could really use some fucking help over here.
I'll try.
I'm coming, hang on.
I'm burning for you.
Torpedoes astern.
I don't think we're gonna win anyway. Oh, he knows I'm here now, but whatever. Oh, he fucked him up, dude.
Thank you.
No ice.
Problem solved.
Oh, there's a citadel. I just got citadeled. There goes 10k.
Alright, you want me to engage this Furitaka and you get that Clemson?
I'm going for the Clemson.
Alright, I'll try to get this Furitaka over here.
Love tacos.
I like how he disappeared. That's not.
Yeah, it's not War Thunder, mate.
What?
What?
Go play.
Oh, actually, you know what? No, I'm gonna go in their cab.
We need some caps, bro.
I'm going for C to stop them, or at least try to.
Really, really, really wish I had AP loaded right about
How
now.
did he cap so fast? What?
He's a pro.
Nick,
What?
how do you use the grappling again? The grappling hook?
Isn't it E or something? He's in that smoke pile. I know where he's at.
So I saw his shots.
And he's detect. Oh, there he is. Angry motherfucker.
Enemy severely damaged. Enemy cruiser foundered.
Oh, sorry, Nick.
Oh my God, Jimmy.
Nick, you're the one who ran in front of me. I'm in a battleship, Nick. What do you expect me to slow down?
You should at least warn me that I was gonna run into you.
I wasn't paying attention. Oh no.
Yep.
Oh, this is it. Oh, never mind.
I've legitimately done everything I can do to win this battle.
The ship is on fire! The ship is on fire!
Really?
The ship
My
is on
fucking-
fire.
Fuck you, asshole. Come here. Fuck you. Gotcha, bitch.
Penetrated.
Got him, chief. Yeah, alright. That's 2 flag captures now.
I'm dead.
The ship is on fire.
I died. Yeah, there's no way. I don't know what the fuck our team was doing, but Jesus.
Yes, you can go play outside. Yeah, I'm dead. There's nothing I can do to win this. Stop holding up outside. I'm down.
Excuse me.
I got the high caliber though.
Beep beep. Beep. What the fuck detected me and where? Oh, there's a destroyer around here then.
There he
There
is.
he is.
See him.
Those, Jimmy, are gonna hurt.
Oh! Oh!
Those are gonna hurt, Jimmy.
Oh, I felt so good.
Oh!
Yeah, you're dead, bro.
Yeah, fuck it. Whatever. God damn. I'm not gonna bounce it for this pretty sure.
Oh, apparently there's colored smoke. Oh, I used the smoke.
Alt F4.
You just.
He's 32. Hey Nick, thanks for that compensation.
It's either Alt F4 or
105
with the
credits.
Windows L. It's up
You know,
to
you know. I didn't pay you any compensation. Because it says on the bottom. That means you paid me compensation.
No, Nick, you paid me.
No, you paid me, digger.
No, you.
I just wish you'd get more than, you know,